Hi everyone, this is Anna from One Timeless Love, and here to show you how I got this glittery, wearable, smoky eye look. I know I've been doing videos that I've already done on my Instagram and just redoing the videos for YouTube, but today I actually did a whole brand new look. I also want to show you how I got my brows done, so let's get into that. The brush that I like to use when doing my brows is this Sigma E75, and I really like this brush because it's very flexible. Most brow brushes that I've used is very stiff, and whenever I'm doing my brows, it just scrapes the products right off. Do you know what I mean? The Anastasia brushes, I have several of those, but for some reason I cannot find the one that I really like because it's just too stiff to me. Maybe I'm handling it. Maybe I'm too rough. I probably am too rough, but anyways, so I like to start at the very end of my brows and I just basically throw products on because my brows are so light. I have to literally draw them on, so I put most of the products at the very end of my brows, and then I'll do feather like strokes at the very beginning with the rest of the product that's on the brush, and to create hair. I'm so good at this, right guys? I hope you hopefully the visual will be enough. So anyways, I take the rest of the product that's on the brush and I just fill in the gaps to color it in. But that's how I usually do it, and I don't really care what the bottom part of it looks like because I clean it up with the Plouise base. Talked about the brush so much that I forgot to tell you what I'm using for my brows. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. To clean up my brows, I'm going to use the Inglot 22T brush. It's a very stiff concealer brush. I really like how stiff it is to carve out my brows. Then I'm going to take the MAC 252 brush to even it out. Today we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette in volume 4, and I'm going to start with the E4. It's like a plum color. I'm going to take a pencil brush. You can use any pencil brush, but today I was using the MAC 219 brush, and I'm going to pick it up and start packing the color right on the ends of my eye, create somewhat of a crease. Then we're going to pick up the Morphe M456 brush. It's a very small blending brush, and picking up this color, it is B3, and we're going to use that to blend out that plum shade. Then picking up a bigger blending brush, this is the famous MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to use a clean one to blend out that color. And then I go back and forth putting on more of the orange shade and more of the plum until it's as intense or as dark as I like it. And to cut the crease and to give it more of a pop, I like to go and use the Inglot 94. It's like a gel liner that I think that's what they claim it to be, a gel liner, but I like to use this as a base. And I'll take the Inglot, what is that thing? Why do I always forget what that thing is? Oh, Duraline. The Inglot Duraline inside the pot to you know, that's what I use to put it in my gel liner, the Inglot gel liner number 77. I use that to really liquefy it, because you know how over time it doesn't get as slick, and for it to become slick you put the Duraline. I've talked about this before, I don't know why I can't. Moving on, Anna, moving on. So going in with the B1 and the MAC 239, you can just take any flat brush, doesn't matter, just pack it on, and it's a very shimmery color, but as you can tell it's sheer. It's a very sheer color, which is why I like to use the 94 for times like this, to make it, like I said, to make it pop. I wish there was another word. How do you, to make it stand out, to be opaque, to you get what I'm saying. I don't know why I made the cut crease with the gel liner, because as you can see I placed a shade right past it. I want it to look more of a smokier look. Picking up that plum to intensify the crease and to blend out that lid shade out a little bit more, and then I'm going to use the plum and the orange shade to blend out the ends of the eyes so there's no harsh lines. I'm using the glitter from the palette, and I'm just going to pick it up with my finger and just pat that on. Getting a definer brush, this one's the Morphe M432, and picking up the plum shade and really packing on the bottom lid. And then I'm going to pick up that orange shade with a pencil brush and blend it out. I'm going to tightline it with a Lancome waterproof black eyeliner, and then I'm going to take a Morphe M213 brush to blend it out. The highlighter that I'm using is the J.cat Unicorn Magic Glow palette. It's the champagne color. I'm sorry, I didn't point it out and show it to you. I should have. But it's the lighter gold color, and it's very intense and also surprisingly very affordable. I think I paid like $13 for this palette, but I just wanted to show you guys. The lashes that I'm using today is by Voss. It's called I Need You. It's just such a fluttery eye look. I love big lashes when it comes to looks, because I feel like it makes it. Without it, just I don't have lashes though, so I need some nice big juicy lashes to make it pop. But this is it, guys. I hope you like it. I'm sorry that I'm not that great at describing it, but you know, bear with me. I have more eye looks. I know I have 2 more to the side that I need to post, but please like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.